Transform any white ribbon with Stampin' Up! Ink pads. Ever needed a specific color ribbon for your project but only had white? No problem. With Stampin' Up! Ink pads, you can create any color ribbon you need. Use a piece of plastic or gloves to protect your fingers from the ink and simply run the ribbon or twine across the ink pad. Apply gentle pressure to ensure even coverage. You'll see the ribbon absorb the ink and change color beautifully. This technique works great with any Stampin' Up! Ink color, giving you endless possibilities. Some colors you may have to run through more than once, and flipping the ribbon to the other side for the thicker ribbon helps absorb fully. Now you have perfectly colored ribbons and twine to match any project. Keep white ribbon in stock and you'll always have the color you need to complete your cards. Make sure you join our Stampin' Up! Facebook group for more hints, tips, and tricks.